Are you a new TikToker? Do you want to grow your TikTok account 2025 like other big TikTokers? It's just the beginning. Keep the video to the end. Now here are the settings you need to do to go viral on TikTok 2025. On your TikTok profile page, press up on the menu button. Then press on settings and privacy. Press on privacy. Make sure that if your account is a private account, make sure you turn off. Turn off private account. Now scroll and press on comments. Make sure that you allow comments from everyone. Make sure that you allow comments from everyone. After allowing comments from everyone, press on reuse content. Make sure that you press on reuse comment and make sure that you turn on everyone so that everyone can duet your videos, so that everyone can stitch your videos, so that you go viral on TikTok 2025. Don't forget to like the video, comment, share it, add it to your favorites. See you in the next video.